Have you ever wondered what the future of drones looks like? Every year, we see new technology push the boundaries of what's possible. Lighter frames, smarter software, better cameras. But what if the next big leap is happening right now? Rumors are swirling, and leaks are hinting at something major. DJI may be gearing up for one of its biggest product launches yet. If you thought the DJI Flip was impressive, the whispers about the DJI Neo 2 might just blow you away. DJI has a reputation for being ahead of the curve, shaping the drone industry with every new release. From high-end professional rigs to beginner-friendly options, they dominate the space. But what's coming next could redefine mid-range drones altogether. Before we dive into the speculation surrounding the Neo 2, let's talk about something that's already turning heads, the DJI Flip. Imagine you're heading on a spontaneous weekend trip. You want to capture breathtaking aerial shots, but the idea of lugging around a bulky drone? Not so appealing. Enter the DJI Flip. This foldable, ultra-portable drone is designed for travelers, content creators, and casual flyers who want high-quality footage without the hassle of a heavy setup. Its sleek, compact design allows it to fit easily into a small bag, making it the perfect companion for on-the-go creators. But don't let its size fool you. It still packs impressive features, including a stabilized camera, intelligent flight modes, and seamless usability. It's clear DJI is targeting those who prioritize convenience without sacrificing quality. But as exciting as the Flip is, it's the whispers of the DJI Neo 2 that have enthusiasts buzzing. Drone insider Jasper Ellens, known for his eerily accurate leaks, has hinted that DJI is working on a follow-up to the original Neo. If these rumors hold weight, the Neo 2 could hit the market by late 2025, bringing a host of upgrades aimed at mid-range drone users who crave professional-level performance at a more accessible price. So, what might we see with the Neo 2? For starters, longer battery life. One of the biggest complaints from drone users is flight time limitations, and DJI is reportedly working to push the boundaries here. A more efficient battery and optimized power management could mean significantly longer flights, allowing for more time in the air to capture that perfect shot. Another key upgrade could be the camera system. Higher resolution, improved low-light performance, and enhanced stabilization are all possibilities. If DJI can deliver professional-grade visuals in a mid-tier package, it could set a new standard in the drone market. Software improvements could also be a game-changer. AI-driven obstacle avoidance, smarter subject tracking, and upgraded intelligent flight modes might make flying the Neo 2 not just easier, but more intuitive than ever. For hobbyists and professionals alike, these features could mean sharper footage, smoother flights, and fewer crashes. Always a plus when you're investing in a high-tech gadget. Now, how does the Flip compare to the rumored Neo 2? They're clearly built for different users. The Flip is all about grab-and-go convenience, a pocket-sized drone for casual users who want quick, easy footage. The Neo 2, on the other hand, seems to be catering to those who need more power, longer flight times, and pro-level camera capabilities without splurging on DJI's top-tier Mavic or Inspire lines. But DJI isn't stopping there. 2025 could be one of the company's biggest years yet. Leaks suggest that alongside the Flip and Neo 2, we might see the highly anticipated Mavic 4 series, rumored to feature industry-leading camera tech and AI-powered flight controls. For entry-level users, the Mini 5 series is expected to offer an affordable, beginner-friendly option without skimping on quality. If these rumors pan out, DJI is positioning itself to dominate every segment of the drone market. For those debating whether to buy the current Neo or wait for the Neo 2, the decision isn't easy. If you need a drone now, the Neo is still a solid choice, offering a great balance of price and performance. However, if you're after cutting-edge technology and don't mind waiting, keeping an eye on Neo 2 updates might be worthwhile. With potential announcements expected in mid-2025, those who hold off could be rewarded with a significantly upgraded device. DJI's strategy is clear: innovation across the board. By developing drones that cater to everyone, from beginners to professionals, they continue to lead the industry. Whether you're drawn to the Flip's portability, the Neo 2's rumored advancements, or the high-end capabilities of the upcoming Mavic 4, there's something for everyone on the horizon. With that said, thanks for watching, And until next time,